The year 2020 wasn't the year we expected it to be, and I look forward with great anticipation to what the next year will bring. I hope you all are trying to make your lives beautiful with the things of Christmas that give you the most comfort and joy. That makes at least this moment of 2020 a bit brighter than the rest. I owe you, my stamping community, a big thank you for supporting me this last year. I am deeply grateful for this community and to be a part of your lives in a small way, and I want to thank you for being a part of mine. So many of you have supported my channel by watching my videos, tolerating the ads, leaving kind comments and encouragement. Some of you have even taken the leap and shopped with me, which makes me so very appreciative, and I strive to do my very best for you. We have become a part of each other's lives. So thank you, my Stampin' friends. Thank you for giving me a purpose. Thank you for letting me in your homes to share creativity with you. The kiddies, Molly and Quinn, and myself want to wish you the happiest of Christmases this year. Rest easy, be kind to yourself, feast, and live in the moment. Next year's going to be better. I'll be back to creative demonstrations on Monday, so until then, Merry Christmas.